Okay, now we're in operations, and this is where pretty much all the magic happens. The operation one, really, what it is this is your DAC settings, your data acquisition settings. DAQ is data acquisition settings. I'm gonna name it settings, and really what this tells you is how you want to collect the data. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to collect the data versus an internal timer. Your sample rate can be, 2,000 hertz, can be 5,000 hertz. This is a 250 kilohertz device, so you can go as high as you need to. I've never seen anything that's more than maybe 20,000 hertz. Your sample duration is 2 seconds. That says when I get the start, you're going to collect for 2,000 hertz for 2 seconds. And if you wanted it to start delay, after I get the start, you could add a delay here. Now we also have what's called soft triggers. What that means is that you still have to get a start, but after you get a start, you could say, wait until my force 1 rises above 50. And the dead band here is how far above 50 does it have to go. So if it hits 50 and it goes through 55, then it's going to start collecting data. You've got a trigger offset which says when I see this event, go back in time or wait. Pre or post is your offset from this event. And then you've got your dead band and then your timeout. So once I get a start signal, I've got 10 seconds to see the force go above 50 through 55. Same with the end. If you said, hey, I want for when the force falls below 20, you could do that, or you could say, when I see this, collect for 2 seconds. So this is really your data acquisition settings, and what you've got down here is you've got your data sets. So really, underneath here is where you add and remove operations. I could add an operation so that I have data acquisition for setting 1. This could be my force, press, and then I could do operation 2. And if I click on it and enable it, then I can do my leak test afterward. Because I'm not going to do anything like that, I've just got one operation. That's the mode 1 operation. So underneath here is where you've got your waveforms, and that's actually your data sets. I can add a number of data sets, new waveform, and I can call this, force versus distance, FVD. And that could be then my force versus my encoder. And I don't have an encoder set up here. I could say a force versus encoder. Once you capture the data, then you can put features, pass-fail features on here. And you can have as many waveforms as you need. And those waveforms will show up on your screen.